Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nihama. In this video, I will show you 5 simple steps that you need to follow when you're planning to come to Canada as a physiotherapist. Let's say someone is in their final year of study of Bachelor of Physiotherapy outside Canada and is planning to come to Canada soon after finishing their internship. Okay, so what's the step 1? The very first step is to focus on your final year. Yes, you heard me right. The first step is to focus on your physiotherapy program. Finish it with very good score because that will be your leverage when you're planning to apply to college or university depending on your choice. Focusing on your physiotherapy knowledge is the first step. It's very crucial. Don't miss it, guys. So in your internship, you will be seeing many patients, which I am very sure you won't see when you graduate. Once you graduate, you are outside of your college, you are outside of the hospital that you're working or doing the internship. It's very less likely that you would be able to see all those patients again, or all those conditions or the diseases that you are treating. You may not see it ever in your life. So the tip here is make a small diary, make a small note of each and every things that you don't want to miss out. You don't want to forget in the rest of your physiotherapy career. Let's say there is any point like for hip replacement patients, the initial precautions that we take to not adduct the leg or something like that, which is very no in physiotherapy, or a very big precaution that you need to remember. Note down those things, make a little note that will help you throughout your practice once you graduate. Now let's say you have all the knowledge that you need to be practicing as a successful physiotherapist, and you are taking care of all your skills and you are making sure you are learning everything. Let's go to step 2. The step 2 is determine your finances. Will you be able to pay the fees? Who is going to pay the fees? Your parents will support you, or are you planning to take a loan? If you're planning to take a loan, make sure you start your research early, because there are cases where people apply to different colleges, have done all the research, or have given IELTS, but then they don't get the loan, and then it's not happening, right? So focus on getting your finances strong first. Determine how much will be the cost. Approximately, if you are coming on a student visa, it will cost you somewhere around 13 lakh or for 1 year of fee, 5 lakh of GIC that you need to figure out. So 13 plus 5 is somewhere around 18 lakhs that you will need on hand once you get your admission. But let's say if you're coming for master's degree, then being international student, it will cost you somewhere around 50 lakh in Canada if you're planning to do the masters. But if you're doing bachelor's, then it will be somewhere around 18 lakh that you need in the beginning. And then for the second year, you can work out your finances when you come here, like doing jobs, and you will be able to pay your second year of fees with the amount of work that you would do here. That is topic of another time. And do you know what GIC is? GIC is a fixed deposit. It's like an investment that we make before coming to Canada in Scotiabank or CIBC, depending on your preferences again. And they pay you out of that fixed deposit of 5 lakh, that is $10,000 somewhere around. They pay you $2,000 as soon as you lend. And then every month, somewhere around $600 or $670 they pay you every month to carry out your expenses for the 12 months in total. They won't pay you after that. Now let's say you have got your finances settled down and you know that you will have enough money to be able to pay your fees and also carry out your IELTS coaching class or any agent charges that you have or admission charges, because some of the colleges do ask you to pay the $100 or $50 admission charges as well. Sometimes your agent, if they have tie-up with those colleges, then they may waive off that charge for you. And let's say if you're somebody who don't have strong finances and it still want to come to Canada, then look for the other alternatives, what you can do, how you can save up. Maybe upon graduation you start working and take some experience, and rather than coming on student visa, try and apply for PR after taking 2 or 3 years of experience. Again, it's out of the scope of this video to explain you the pathways to come to Canada, but you can always do your research or go to Canada website, the government website, and then you can see what all options you have got. Said, if you are not able to come to Canada right now in this moment, remember that all days are not same. Maybe in future you will have opportunity to come to Canada. Just stay positive. So look for the opportunities in your home country. There are plenty of opportunities out there. You can do whatever you want wherever you are, in whichever country you are. So it really depends on your potential and what you want to do. Coming to Canada is not the end of the world. There are many more things you can do where you are right now. So explore those options instead of wasting your time and energy in planning to come to Canada when you know that it's not happening. So by no means I don't want to discourage anybody, but again, be into the reality and see the real scenario, what's around you. And okay, enough of philosophy. Let's go to step 3. Step 3 is determining your target intake. When do you think you will be able to come to Canada? Let's say most of the people target the September intake because that's the major intake. Nowadays, most of the colleges do take students all around the year, 2 or 3 times. That is like September intake, January intake, May intake. So there are 3 options for you, whichever you think will work out, and depending on your current situation. Let's say you want to go to Canada next year, that is September 2023. Okay, so when is the best time, or what's the timeline that you need to follow regarding the process? I would say try and give the IELTS. So the IELTS is the first step after deciding the intake year and the month. So the first step is IELTS. So when you should be giving your IELTS, try and give the IELTS a year before the intake. This may sound crazy, but why I'm saying that is, if you want to be early candidate and want to get into the college or the university that you really want, you really have to be an early bird. Anybody who wants to go into September 2023, the IELTS should be given by, let's say, latest by November 2023, so that you have enough time after that to use that IELTS for 2 things. Yes, here's the tip. So we will give IELTS just for one time, that is the academic module. We'll target to get the score not only 6.5, which is current range, like a good score is around 6.5, not less than 6. That is to be eligible to get into the college admission. But I would say target for IELTS band 7. Why? So being a physio, you have to give PCE exam as well, right? That is the physiotherapy license exam in Canada to be able to practice as a physiotherapist. If you want to use your IELTS, if you want to save your money, time and effort by not giving IELTS again, give the IELTS in one go, or give the IELTS academic module in one go and target for overall 7 band, not less than 6 in each, so that we are fulfilling the criteria for both, that is the credentialing process for PCE and also the study permit or admission process into a college. Now remember, if you want to do master's program, you will have to score a very good score in IELTS, because it's very competitive to get into a master program in Canada. If nobody has told you about this IELTS secret of using your one IELTS for 2 things, PCE and student visa, you have to subscribe to my channel. You owe me this one. So like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also follow me on Instagram. Now the 4th step is whether... Watch the second part of this video to know the final steps. Thanks for watching.